Bonjour à tous. Good morning, everyone, or good day, everyone. Notre patrimoine. Leçon 5. Leçon 5 means lesson 5. Notre patrimoine means our heritage. Our heritage. Notre means our. Patrimoine means heritage. Now, let us see the two dialogues in this lesson. So, we are going to discuss about the we are going to see about the temples constructed by the Chola dynasty, and we are going to learn a little about Tamil civilization. So let us see the first dialogue. The first dialogue is between Matthew and Sendil. Sendil, où est ce que on ira demain? Sendil, where are you going tomorrow? Dema means tomorrow. Dema means what? Tomorrow. Ce sera une surprise. Sendil is saying, ce sera une surprise. Attendez jusqu'à demain. It will be a surprise. Wait till tomorrow. Attendez means wait till tomorrow. Le lendemain, it means the next day. Le lendemain means the next day. Devant le temple Gangaikonda Solapuram. Devant means in front of. Devant means in front of. In front of the temple Gangaikonda Solapuram. Matthew. So let us see what is the discussion happening between Matthew and Sendil in front of the temple of Gangaikonda Solapuram. So Matthew is now saying, oh, que c'est superbe. It means, oh, it is super. Oh, it is super. Ce temple est plus beau que tous les monuments du monde. This temple is very beautiful, more beautiful. Okay, beau means beautiful. Beautiful que tous les monuments du monde. Than all the monuments in the world. Monde means world. Je le trouve formidable. Je le trouve formidable means I find it great. I find it great. Formidable means great. Now Sendil is responding. Gangaikonda Solapuram signifi means signifies. La ville de Chola qui reçoit l'eau de Gange means the city of Chola. La ville means the city. La ville means the city of La ville de Chola qui reçoit l'eau de Gange, which receives the water of the Ganges. Okay, which receives the water. O means water. Rajendra, premier va au Bengal. Rajendra, first Rajendra went to Bengal. A rapport means bring, brought back or brought back the l'eau de Gange. It means he brought back some water from the Ganges. This temple, ce temple means this temple. Et le signifie de la victoire de Rajendra sur le roi de Bengal. This temple is the symbol of victory. Et le signe de la victoire means, et le signe de la victoire means the symbol of victory. symbol of victory of Rajendra sur le roi de Bengal, over the king of Bengal. Roi means king. Roi means king. King of Bengal. Valerie, now Valerie is entering into the conversation. Mais dites-moi, but say, mais means but. Dites-moi means say, tell me. Pourquoi il n'y a pas beaucoup de touristes? Why there are not many tourists? Pourquoi means why. Pourquoi il n'y a pas beaucoup de touristes means why there are not many tourists. Now Sendil is saying, c'est vrai. C'est vrai means it is true. Vrai means true. C'est vrai means it is true. C'est vrai means it is true. Mais depuis quelques années. Mais depuis quelques années. Depuis means since. Depuis means since. May means but, you know that. Since quelques means some. Année means year. Année means years. Okay, but since some years, thanks to the effort of government. But since depuis quelques années, grâce à l'effort du gouvernement, with the help of the government, on commence à découvrir ce patrimoine. With the help of the government, we have found this heritage. We have found this heritage. We begin to discover this heritage. Découvrir means discover. Découvrir means discover. Okay. Now Valerie is responding. Heureusement means fortunately. Nous avons la chance de visiter ce superbe temple. Fortunately, we have the chance to visit this super temple. Il faut être sensible à la beauté et aux belles sculptures de ce temple. It is necessary. Il faut means it is must or it is necessary to be aware of the beauty of the temple and the beautiful sculptures of the temple. Beauty means beautiful. Sculpture means sculptures of the temple. Then, qui assure la conservation et l'entretien? Qui assure la conservation et l'entretien? Who assures the conservation and the maintenance? Who assures? Qui means who. Who assures the conservation and the maintenance? Then Sendil is responding. Say l'archaeological survey of India. It is the archaeological survey of India. Un organisme du gouvernement central. An organization of the central government. So archaeological survey of India takes care of the maintenance of this temple. That is what Sendil is concluding. Now let us move on to the next dialogue of the temple. Next dialogue of this lesson. Devant le temple de Darasuram. Devant means in front of. In front of the temple of Darasuram. Matthew. The conversation is between Matthew, Valerie and Sendil again. Okay. Incroyable. Incroyable means unbelievable. Unbelievable. Pourtant, Il est plus petit que l'autre temple. Pourtant means et. Pourtant means et. Il est plus petit que l'autre temple means it is smaller than the other temple. Is it? That is what the conversation is. Et it is smaller than the other temple. Is it not? So that's what this person Matthew is asking. Now Valerie is responding. Oui means yes. Mais means but. Il est aussi prodigé que le temple de Gangaikonda Cholapuram. It is also as marvelous as the temple of Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Prodigé means marvelous. Marvelous than the temple of Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Matthew, dès notre retour en France, as soon as we return to France. Dès notre retour en France means as soon as we return from France, nous parlerons à tout le monde de ces merveilles. We will speak to everyone of these wonders. Ces merveilles means these wonders. We speak to everyone. We will speak to everyone regarding this temple. Then, nous conseillerons à nos amis de les visiter. We will advise our friends to visit this temple. Okay, we will advise. Conseillero means advice. Ami means friends. Ami means what? Friends. Then Sendil is saying, oui, absolument. Absolute means absolutely. You know this? Yes, surely, like that. Ces temples représente un témoignage exceptionnel de l'architecture de la dynastie Chola et de la civilisation Tamil. These temples represents un témoignage. Témoignage means testimony, exceptional testimony of the architecture of the Chola dynasty. Okay, architecture of the Chola dynasty. Dynasty Chola means Chola dynasty. Et de la civilisation Tamil and the Tamil civilization. Then Matthew, nous les visiterons encore une fois l'année prochaine. We will visit them once more next year. Année prochaine means next year. Okay, so hope you are thorough with the meanings. I will send you the translation for this lesson, so you can write the French dialogues left side and the English meaning for that in the right side of your classwork. Merci, bonne journée.